Knock it off. Wow. Alright, what's up, y'all? So I'm making some ice cream. And let me see if I can show y'all what it looks like. Hopefully y'all can see that. Let's see. Down there. If not, I'll show it to you in a second. But making protein ice cream, we use some Orgain's chocolate fudge protein powder. So I'm gonna change the camera so y'all can see this. 411 calories, grams.
Probably is 411 calories.
Actually, yeah, it really is about 400 calories. 100 grams is roughly about 100 to 110 calories.
There you go, nerding out. I didn't ask all that.
Well, I was talking to the people.
My bad, people.
I'm never chasing the bag. I never sit on my ass. Whenever you see me, I got a check. These ain't the regular band. Look at the one to my head. I'm just doing the money dance.
And that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna add 2 scoops right up in there, just like that. Another one. It's not a 4 scoop, but it's cool. All right, so I don't know if it's gonna fly everywhere, so I'm gonna put this top on there. So y'all may or may not be able to see it blend. Let's see. Not working, so I'm gonna take the spoon and just do a little bit of stirring. Just like that.
Cause I'm bag man, bag man, bag man, bag man. Cause the bag man running bag man for me. Tell everybody hi, cause the bag man coming. Woo! Bag man, bag man, bag man running bag man.
The nice cream right here. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop that out.
Tell everybody hi, cause the bag man coming. Woo! Uchi on me, a bitch on me, I'm getting it. Money hungry, blue bands, only my money tenant. 100K for a walk through this independent. So if you fucking with me, you gotta pay the ticket to fly the scuffle. Had to stuff the loop, we double check the bag. I'm getting money. Peep the brand and load the swag.
Alright, so I added in some cacao, sweet nibs, and then I put in some of that PB Fitz peanut butter powder on top of that as well. So I'm gonna mix that in. Just want y'all to see what that look like.
I got that west side money, got that east side money, got that Dubai money. I got that overseas money, got that bitch please money, got that ooh-wee money. I'm never chasing the bag, I never sit on my ass. Whenever you see me, I got a check. These ain't the regular bands, look at the one to my head. The diamonds is doing the money dance. No time to kick it, I ain't on top of this bitch because I'd rather be out running up a sack.